So we're on the way to meet up with Kurt again, making some content for him. And we're starting to work out our first multifamily deal together. So that's going to be fun. That's going to be some nice passive income after we set that up. Hopefully in the six-figure range, depending on how big the deal size we find. We're currently on day 3 of the car dealership challenge. This seems to be fruitful endeavor. We're just going to try not to get shiny object syndrome, just follow through with everybody. And the goal is to get 10 clients at $10K a month. So that will be car dealerships or a combination of car dealerships and local banks. So from what we've already had brief conversations with, 4 car dealerships now. We're about to follow up with 2 of them today and 1 of them on Monday. So like it looks like there's a big enough need that we'll be able to fill it. We just gotta make sure it's the right fit, cash collect, and then we have some, breathing room to cover everybody's salary for a month or 2. And then especially, these are going to be recurring clients, so we want to have to deliver value to them, help them increase their car sales, so they'll want to keep coming back to us month after month. And then that eventually can be a nice side business. But right now we're just using it to help us cover the payments. Yeah, well, there's active income and passive income. Active income is money you make that requires your time, so like a job or salary. And then there's passive income, where it may take an initial time to set up, or maybe some money, but then it will pay dividends for you in the long run. So this could be like, stocks, cash flowing real estate, things like that. So that's what the multifamily is for us, because it takes some initial time finding the deal, closing the deal, and getting the capital together. But once we have it, then we put a manager in place, so it's pretty passive for us. And then we just hold on to it for a long period of time. And then for the car dealerships, that's our active income, because we have to go to the car dealerships, negotiate a rate that makes sense for both of us, shoot daily content for them. That can be a passive income eventually once we hire out a team of employees to help us out, but right now it's primarily going to be active, just to help us cover our bases and to leverage our skills that we already are getting pretty good at with social media. All right, now see you at Kurt's.
So I bought this brand new side-by-side machine 2 years ago. I think I've got like 3 extended warranties on the thing.
Yeah.
Because it's an expensive machine. Had to drive 2-ish hours away to Searcy, Arkansas to buy this machine when I bought it. And I got the warranties and all that stuff. And now I'm actually using the warranty for the first time because a steering rack part went out. Well, when this guy called me where I take it to, because I have to take it to Batesville, Mississippi, which is like 45 minutes south.
Well, let's recap real quick.
Did you get? Do you send my email?
Yeah, your 2 multifamily you found on Loop that I'm liking Bond. Is that a lot?
Was that the one that was like fucking green and purple or whatever?
It just needs a. It's funny. It's like, hey, let's paint it green and like poison blue.
The only thing that's difficult with these deals, and I just know this from experience, the thing that's just difficult with ones that are listed with a commercial agent like they are, over 90% of these ones, they're not going to be interested in doing lease options. They're not going to want to.
Yeah, I think this is like burst type stuff. With those 2 that you found, like especially like 266 Bond, where it's a rehab value add. Like currently, here it's not showing me the current income. Can we fill that up? Because like I know our goal is to 25 unit plus. This is 18, so that's pretty close. Because like all we do is we need to get 1 to get our feet wet, and then once we figure that out, it will just be like you did with single family. Like we'll try to do like 1 a month or something like that.
I'm gonna have to get a dumpster out here, and a lot of this trash, I will tell you, that was left over. We had to trash this house out because the people who we used to be here left so much crap in this place. And you can tell my guys are using generators because we don't have the utilities on. Like court fees, anything they dealing with trash. Oh yeah, I'm surprised we don't have one already. Where the city will come out and they will basically tag us and give us a time limit to get the stuff cleaned up. Usually my contractor will let me know if they've come and put a tag out here. He hasn't said anything yet, so.
The electricity cut, is that why they have a generator?
So when I bought this property, obviously the utilities were turned off. And what I do a lot of times is when I bought this property, I put this in my portfolio with my property management company, and I'll have them schedule the utilities to get turned on for me. Sometimes it happens fast, sometimes it takes a little long, and I have to make sure that I reach out to them today to ask if they've even done it or not. Because if not, I'll have to try to call myself on Monday to get the utilities turned on. I dread having to call the local utility provider to schedule getting it. It's such a nightmare. It's
So talk about numbers, like to get rid of all this. How much is that going to cost?
Well, I'm gonna have to get a dumpster out here first. That's gonna cost me total $500-600 for a dumpster. And then it's gonna cost a couple $100 for them to have the guys throw all the stuff in the dumpster. So it's kind of like, here's an unexpected $800.
What percentage of your total budget do you put for like unexpected costs like this?
I try to budget somewhere around $1,500 to $2,000 per project for unexpected.
1%, 2%?
Yeah, a few.
All right, let's go in.
They probably got heaters on in here. Hello.
Come in. We had to do in this house that we've had to level the house, so then they had to crawl in the crawl space and jack it up. This, what you see here is the original flooring. It was in the house. We had to tie up this tile over this. And I don't like this. I don't like this stuff either. Some people like it, some people don't. I just feel it's very outdated. Because some settings,
It's like 60s.
probably 60s, 70s. And my whole goal when I'm done renovating this property, it has to look fresh and attractive. Because like I said, these people that I work with, they're all out-of-state investors. So they're buying based on the pictures and the quality work that we do. So, we're installing new windows right here. We're in all new vinyl plank flooring, but I'm doing a whole new kit found.
Oh, was this place completely trashed when you got it?
Yeah, it was rough. It was a really bad. It was a kitchen area here, and then this is obviously with a sink and everything were cabinets. There's a lot more here. This is also the laundry area right here. Go ahead. It's funny. My contractor's calling me right now. He's doing this job. Hey, what's up? Or when I'm done here at the back of my place, I'll give you a call. All right.
For this new kitchen, are you buying used stuff or it's all brand new?
It's all brand new. So it's going to be, now keep in mind, this is not designer custom cabinetry with soft flow standard. So yeah, this is going to be it's kind of like what some people might consider builder grade. So it's going to be very standard,
just comfortable for a renter.
Yeah, to be maybe perfect for a renter.
So is this dishwasher area?
No, this is the soap.
Oh, it's the laundry.
This is where the washer machine goes right here. And dryer essentially goes next to it somewhere here.
So two-quarter this.
Yeah, washer's right here. So what they're going to do with this is we're going to install a laundry box. It's going to look more clean. This is only going to be behind the wall. So when you look at it, all you got is the rectangle box with So it's going to look a whole lot nicer. They're in the process of getting all of this level because the flooring was not right. Looks like we've got some nice old wood. Are you going to keep that or not? We're vinyl planking over everything. Then even the wood floors, which I didn't maintain. It is. I hate doing it, but it just gives it more of a uniform look.
Yeah.
We're projecting based on market comps that this should rent in like a $1,350 range, maybe $1,395. Like I said, it's 2,200 square feet and it's a 5-bedroom. So there's 2 bedrooms down and then there's like 3 more up. It's like, you've got the dining room here, bedroom 1 right here. You got bedroom 2 right here, and then there's the downstairs main bathroom.
It's got some interesting wood tile.
Yeah, I know, right? This is the original tile when they built the house. Well, so it's a very common theme that we see in a lot of these houses. But here's the hall bathroom. As you can see, we are ripping everything out. We're coming back in, but everything brand new in this whole bathroom. So in the bathroom, we'll do tile. We'll do tile in the bathroom.
So you'll do like that waterproof
no Bluetooth, but everywhere else we do.
Interesting.
That was good. Okay, so this kind of like railing wall in here, when I bought this property, it had kind of like it had like a hand railing and iron bars and stuff, but it was very flimsy, not up to code anymore. Like kids could stick their head through there and stuff like that. So just to be a little more safer, we decided to build this up.
So this wasn't there?
Yeah, this wasn't there. So this will be a lot more sturdy when it's all finished here too. Just we're gonna put handrails coming down.
You gonna have like a little kids room in there, or just
So some type of little bonus room. I mean, it could be someone's office, or even up like a big bookcase. Yeah, I mean, it could be panic room. Yeah, or like I say, it could be a kid's little play area.
This considered the fourth room. So, I'll do the.
Well, in that, so in God, we're here to do it. So this is a closet. See, you got the cool built-in shelving. It's all state.
That's cool. We need to. Well, we got a broken window there. Oh, yeah.
So, I know you just replace them all the standard. Well, initially what they'll do in that is they'll just replace the broken glass. As long as the window still opens and closes like it's supposed to, we'll just probably have to replace all the glass. So this is, you get the third bedroom. Through the larger forest bedroom. Then have the large bedroom. Got that one here too. So this is 5 bedrooms, obviously the bathroom. You guys doing all right? This benefit. I heard the boss say. Yeah. So like I said, this bathroom's gonna get completely ripped out too. Everything's gonna be brand new when we come back in.